Okay, we're here with Peter and we're here to talk about the Blackmagic cinema camera. Now this is my first time actually having eyeballs on it.
Sure.
And I've been really curious, what are you guys bringing to this industry that has the 7D? And then on the other spectrum has the, you know, there's this kind of world of Canon kind of has the dominance on the DSLR, and then you go up to Red and the C300, and that's kind of a weird world. Where does this fit into that spectrum?
Well, okay, well maybe we start with things like the Canon 5D Mark.
Sure, absolutely.
That was an absolutely fantastic camera. We love it. Actually, I own one.
Yeah.
What that really did was introduce the whole world to be able to make really high quality video on a DSLR camera.
Absolutely.
You know, they have you can put these fantastic lenses on there and get really good depth of field and beautiful pictures. However, there are some issues when it comes to post-production. We are talking about an image that's recorded and it's clipped, you know, so your whites are clipped, your blacks are clipped, which makes it a little bit hard to do color correction. And also the other thing that's causing a problem is that you've got compression on there. It's H.264, so as soon as you try and grade it, you're seeing little square blocks everywhere.
Right.
So it's a little bit difficult to do more with it. You have a beautiful image that if that's the recorded image you wish and you're going to deliver it like that, that's fantastic, but as soon as you want to do something, you run into these issues. So we really felt there needed to be a solution where you can actually record a high quality image with good resolution, because you know, to get a film quality image you need larger than high def, so you can scale it and have aliasing so you get really good quality, and you need large depth of field, so we've got 13 stops depth of field, and you need it to be uncompressed so you can grade it and get a good quality image. That's what we've tried to achieve here. So basically what we're doing is capturing a raw signal onto our solid state drives.
Wow.
So you actually get a 12-bit log uncompressed image, 2.5K onto an off-the-shelf solid state drive. Okay, so you can just record that image there, take the drive straight out, drop it into like a docking station, and then use DaVinci Resolve to color grade it up. We're actually using Cinema DNG, which is actually an open format invented by Adobe, which means you can also open it on other applications as well. So you can drop it into Adobe and work with those images, or as I said, go into Resolve, and actually we give a copy of Resolve with the camera so you can be coloring straight away and deliver. But what we also did was try to make sure we used other formats that are used by the editing system. So for example, it's got ProRes, so you can decide to record to ProRes instead and then go straight into Final Cut Pro, or we can go into Avid and use DNX HD. So you know, you really have the different options. In the case of going RAW, it's a 2.5K image, so you can scale it or resize it or reposition it, or if ProRes or Avid DNX is actually a HD size frame, and you can use that straight away.
So what are we looking at as far as a market for this? Who are our competitors, and where is this going to be seen? This, I mean, unlike Canon, are we going to see this at a Best Buy? Is this going to be
well,
it, you know?
I mean, we really see it as a companion to your 5D or something like that. I mean, that is a fantastic camera, and we're not trying to be that camera. We could never be that camera. But what we are is the video pieces that camera has limitations on. Excellent. So you really want to have your Canon 5D or Mark III or whatever the latest one is to do your stills, maybe some video work with that, then be able to use the same lenses on this camera and do high quality video when you need to. Then when you finish with that, go back to your other camera again. So it kind of becomes another piece of equipment in your camera bag for doing all the work you need to do, whether it be music videos or wedding videos or corporates or television commercials, whatever it is you want to do. We're not trying to be anything else except a good quality way of getting video in at this level.
Now my biggest question was, you were the first that I've seen that's using the touchscreen interface.
Yes.
What are the challenges and what are the advantages of that?
Well, I don't know about challenges. I mean, we think it's quite a nice way of entering metadata, you know, because it's really important to get the metadata done at the production side.
Makes it a lot easier.
Yeah, so example, so if we're doing an interview, say this interview take 1, and then the second time you roll the camera, it'll be take 2, take 3, take 4. So when you load that into your editing system, you can actually use the proper search functions and say, I know take 5 was the go take, boom, and you get it straight away. That's great. So it's really good for entering metadata in a nice clean way, rather than having a keyboard to get a bit fiddly and things like that.
How does it affect battery life?
It doesn't affect battery life. It's,
okay,
you know,
great.
The screen's running all the time anyway.
Right.
And actually, important thing with the battery, it's got a built-in battery that'll last about 2 hours. And the way we've designed it, there's actually a DC power supply on the side, because the battery's built-in is not changeable. However, the way we've designed it is you can use external rechargeable batteries, anything between 12 and 30 volts. So you can use whatever type of batteries you like to deliver that, strap them on top, and change those batteries, and the internal battery's still running. So actually, you can effectively run all the time.
So you can tether it. That's great.
Even while you're changing batteries, the camera's going to still run.
Well, it sounds like a very exciting device. We're very appreciative for you taking your time to talk to us about this, and thank you so much.
You're most welcome.